Join me as I take on the challenge of simplifying AI for beginners, breaking it down into bite-sized pieces anyone can understand. So what's all the fuss about AI? Artificial intelligence is changing the world we live in, and it's not just a fancy term used in sci-fi movies. AI is real, and it's already a part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and personalized product recommendations. Let's face it though, AI can be intimidating. Some people think it's too complex, too technical, or even too scary. There's this misconception that AI is going to take over the world and steal our jobs. But is that really true? I'd say that's just a myth, and a big part of that myth stems from the unknown. When we don't understand something, it's natural to fear it, right? Another common misconception is that AI is only for techies, that you need to have a PhD in computer science to even begin to comprehend it. But that's not true either. AI is for everyone, and it's already being used in so many different industries, from healthcare to education to finance. And then there's the fear that AI is going to replace humans. Yes, AI will automate some jobs, but it will also create new ones. It's already happening. We have AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning experts, careers that didn't even exist a decade ago. Artificial intelligence is made up of several components, but I want to focus on two key concepts that'll help you understand AI better: machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning is a type of AI that enables computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Think of it like a child learning from its environment. Neural networks, on the other hand, are a type of machine learning inspired by the human brain. They're made up of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons that process and transmit information. It's like a complex network of decision-making systems that can recognize patterns and make predictions. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you're a doctor trying to diagnose patients with cancer. You can use machine learning to train a model on a dataset of cancer images, and then use that model to identify new cases. It's like having a super smart assistant that can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. AI is already having a huge impact in various fields, but let me highlight one powerful example: healthcare. AI-powered systems are being used to analyze medical images, identify high-risk patients, and even develop personalized treatment plans. In one remarkable case, AI helped doctors detect breast cancer more accurately than human radiologists. The AI system was trained on a massive dataset of mammograms and could identify patterns that human eyes might miss. The potential of AI in healthcare is vast, and it's not just about detecting diseases. It's about improving patient outcomes, reducing costs, and enhancing the overall quality of care. To recap, AI isn't as complex or intimidating as it seems. It's made up of simple components like machine learning and neural networks that can be broken down into bite-sized pieces. We've seen how AI is positively impacting industries like healthcare, and it has the potential to do so much more. Thanks for joining me on this journey to simplify AI for beginners. Plus, like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What did you find most surprising or interesting about AI? And if you want to explore more about technology, be sure to check out my other videos for more insights and explanations.